Well, welcome out, everybody. What a great day to be here in front of this bridge. It started in 2017, the environmental study. We reevaluated in 2019 with the city's desire to change the interchange type from an over interchange to the hybrid interchange, which is the first hybrid interchange on this corridor, which means it doesn't necessarily go up and over, but it doesn't go as low as 114th South. And it's a really exciting interchange. But this couldn't have been possible without the cooperation of the city and the stakeholders, businesses, residents of the city of Riverton, because this type of interchange requires a full closure of this interchange. And so all the movements associated with this interchange, the through movement, the left turns, were closed. That's what makes this exciting about today, is that we're going to be opening all of the movements for this interchange, which is a huge milestone for this project. I'd like to thank the city. I'd like to thank the mayor and the city staff for all of their help and cooperation with this, as well as the businesses and the residents of Riverton, because they were patient with us, especially during the time of COVID. I don't know if you guys are all aware, but this project started in March of 2020. And so for us to be completing this milestone, not quite on time, but close to on time, I think is pretty remarkable, and a pretty remarkable accomplishment of UDOT, the contractor, and everybody involved. So with that, I'll turn the time over to Mayor Staggs.
Thank you very much, Robert. As said, we're so excited to have this interchange fully operational as of today, opening up 126 South and Bangerter, and it's the first hybrid option along the Bangerter Highway. So we're very happy. We're fortunate. I want to thank, first off, our city council that's here, that's supporting us, that's been a big part of guiding and giving some direction on this unique style of interchange. And of course, our public works team that has worked so diligently with UDOT and their staff and team. So I want to thank them very much. I also want to thank our state legislators. They're a big reason why this is happening and why the funding is there. They have to appropriate that. And so our state senators and legislators that have worked so hard to ensure this happens. Also want to recognize Intermountain. Intermountain Healthcare has been a great partner with us as well, and has even contributed to the design and some of the betterment costs that are associated with this style of interchange. So very, very grateful for all of the stakeholders, all of our partners here. And we're excited again to have this opened up. So as of today, 126 South, Bangerter interchange, signalized, fully operational. It's a great moment. It means a lot for our community members in the sense of not just north-south travel, but I did want to point out that, you know, in talking with UDOT and some of these other interchanges they've been able to do, we see a dramatic difference with east-west congestion as well. And so as we have these interchanges completed, I think it just improves traffic congestion and improves the quality of life all the way around for our residents, but also the residents of our neighboring communities like Harriman and South Jordan. So thank you very much.